Hello friends, today we'll study about the electrophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Yesterday we studied about the nucleophilic substitution reactions of haloarenes. Now we'll study about electrophilic substitution reactions. So as you can see, the haloarene molecule, it comprises of halogen. X is represent the halogen. So halogen is always electron withdrawing, right? So here halogen is electron withdrawing. So it must be meta directing group. But haloarenes are always ortho para directing group. Why? Because of the resonance. Let us see how. This lone pair will shift here and this bond will shift here. So the next resonance structure will become, here double bond will come, here positive charge, here negative charge, this double bond will remain same. Now this will shift here and this will shift here. So it will become this charge will shift here and this will shift here. So it will become here double bond will come, here negative charge, and this will remain same. Then next this charge will come here and this here negative charge will come. So here negative charge come, here double bond, and here also double bond. So these are the four resonating structures, and here you can see that the negative charge is coming on the ortho positions and para positions, right? So that's why it is ortho para directing for electrophile. So electrophile is electron deficient. It will come to the place where there is negative charge, where there is electron rich position. So ortho and para positions are electron rich, whereas meta position is not electron rich, because the halogen group will withdraw electrons from the ring. So it will withdraw the electrons from the meta position more, because in the ortho position and para position there is negative charge. So this is the main reason for the electrophilic substitution reaction to be at ortho and para positions. And also the para product will be major, because para position, because there is minimum repulsion between the, when electrophile will come here at the para position, repulsion between this halogen group and the electrophilic group will be less. But at ortho and position, if the electrophile will be at ortho position, the repulsion between halogen and ortho positions electrophile will be more. So that's why the para position, the para product or electrophilic product will be more stable, and hence it will be the major product. Now what kind of electrophilic reaction occurs here, we will see. So what kind of product, what kind of electrophilic reactions? So let us take example of chlorobenzene. Now firstly, it can the electrophilic substitution reaction occurs, which is halogenation. So for example, you are adding chlorine in the presence of AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3. Anhydrous FeCl3. So this is halogenation. what will happen, you will get para product and ortho product. So this is the major product and this is the minor product. The reason I gave you that here minimum repulsion will occur, but here more repulsion will occur between the groups. So this is the major product. So this is 1,4-dichlorobenzene and this is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. So this was halogenation. This is electrophilic substitution reaction. Next is nitration. So in nitration, what will you add? You will add HNO3, nitric acid, and concentrated sulfuric acid. So what will be formed? You will again get ortho and para products. So here nitro group will be at para position and here at ortho position. So this is major. This is major and this is minor. So this was nitration. Now next type of electrophilic reaction which occurs is, so we studied about halogenation, we studied about nitration, now is sulfonation. So in sulfonation, let us take chlorobenzene. In sulfonation, what will you add? Concentrated sulfuric acid and you will heat. So what will you get? SO3H. This is the major product and this is the minor product. This is the major and this is the minor product. So this was the sulfonation. Now next, Friedel-Crafts reactions. Next type of electrophilic substitution reaction is Friedel-Crafts reaction. So in Friedel-Crafts reaction you have two types of reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So in Friedel-Crafts alkylation, you will add alkyl group to the ring. And you will add anhydrous aluminium chloride. So what will be formed? This is haloalkanes, methane, chloromethane. So this methyl group will add to the ortho and para positions. So again this is the major product and that one is minor product because this is para product. Next is acylation. Here one thing will change. It will become acyl group. CH3CO is acyl group and this is chlorine. So here what will you get? Acyl group will be attached. Instead of methyl group, acyl group will be attached. So here you will get this CH3CO and here also CH3CO, that is acyl group. Here this is the major product because this is para product. So these were the electrophilic substitution reactions. What were this? Halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, and Friedel-Crafts reactions. So these types of reaction we have studied. Now what other kind of reactions occurs in haloarenes? There are two name reaction, Wood-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. What are these? Let us see. First is Wood-Fittig reaction. In it we add haloalkane and sodium and haloarene and haloalkane and sodium in the presence of ether, dry ether. So what will you get? That sodium will leave with halogen and you will get a product of this ring attached to the alkyl group. So this will you will get as this you will get as a product. Now what is the Fittig reaction? In Fittig reaction, what happens is you don't have to add haloalkane. Here what occurs is that this the two benzene ring will attach to itself and you will get biphenyl as the product. So this is the difference between Wood-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. Biphenyl, diphenyl you will get. Along with sodium halide. So this is the Fittig reaction. You are adding two molecules of haloarene and sodium and ether in the presence of ether and you will get diphenyl and sodium halide. So this is the Fittig reaction. So these were the reactions of haloarenes. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and Wood-Fittig reaction and Fittig reaction. So we have ended this chapter. Now some special polyhalogen compounds are there that we'll study in next class. I hope you got this reactions. Thank you.